Good evening. Category 3 Tropical Cyclone Winston lies about 770 kilometers south-southwest of Kandavu this evening, moving east-southeast at around 20 kilometers per hour. With the cyclone now well to the south of Fiji, the temptation will be to assume that weather will improve around the country over coming days. However, weather systems to the south are going to push the cyclone northeast back towards Fiji and Tonga during the early part of next week, and winds which have eased somewhat now are likely to freshen again tonight and tomorrow from the northwest. At the same time, cloud bands feeding into the eye region closer to the circulation center will continue to pass over Fiji from time to time, bringing some locally heavy showers. With the center of the cyclone at its furthest from Fiji today, showers were not very active, with some sunny breaks in the morning before the afternoon convective showers started after lunch. We can expect showers to be more prevalent and widespread from tomorrow, especially over the west, where onshore westerly winds are expected. A weak eye is still evident in the cloud bands at the center of Tropical Cyclone Winston, a sign that this system remains a severe system. Although some weakening is expected over the next 24 to 48 hours, it is likely TC Winston will remain a severe cyclone with intensity around Category 3. All of the active clouds are close to or south of Fiji, with the north relatively clear at this time. The wind circulation of TC Winston continues to dominate the wind chart. The very strong winds on the east side of the cyclone are evident on the current chart. Tomorrow we can expect TC Winston to continue east then northeastward towards the Lau group. The fresh to strong northwest winds will shift westerly and then southwesterly tomorrow as the low moves to the south of Fiji. The official forecast track continues to forecast northeastward movement, pushing TC Winston on a path up towards the southeastern part of Fiji by Tuesday morning. There is a high risk of direct impacts of TC Winston on Kandavu and southern and perhaps also central Lau, Lomaiviti and southeastern Viti Levu, including Suva, around Tuesday or Wednesday. Overcast skies with occasional showers passing over the Western Division tomorrow, with fresh to strong and gusty northwest winds. A few heavy falls likely, with local flash flooding possible. For the Northern Division, cloudy with passing showers, heavy at times in the morning with the chance of a thunderstorm. Local flash flooding likely, fresh to strong and gusty northwest winds. Overcast and humid across the Central and Eastern Divisions again tomorrow, with a few showers at first. Showers increasing tomorrow night with a few heavy falls likely, fresh and gusty west to northwesterly winds strengthening tomorrow night. Northwest winds fresh to strong and gusty with rough seas and swells over open waters. Winds shifting westerly later, strong wind warnings are still current and mariners should continue to use every precaution. It now seems very likely that TC Winston will move over southern parts of Fiji Tuesday and Wednesday. People potentially in harm's way should start taking basic preparedness steps to ensure they are ready to handle a severe cyclone passing directly over or close by in 24 to 48 hours from now. This includes people along the southeast corner of Viti Levu from Pacific Harbour to Navua and the capital around to Nussori. Remain alert as the cyclone passes to our south late tomorrow and early Tuesday. Listen for advisories from local authorities. Mariners use extreme caution over coming days and plan your maritime activities carefully. You can keep up to date through our various subscription services. Details of how to subscribe for mobile weather updates via text message for Vodafone and Ink users are on our Facebook page. And for details on how to get access to our premium subscription service, you can check out our website at NaDraki.com. Please do check in tomorrow evening for more local weather information. From the MyTV and NaDraki team, we wish you a pleasant evening.